Being short a technician or two can really add up for your business monetarily. Let's say you have a labor rate of $125 per hour. That means if you lost a technician, every 8-hour shift equates to $1,000 in missed labor sales and a potential of $1,000 in missed part sales. That's $44,000 in missed sales every month with an average of 22 workdays per month. Let's talk about what you should do to keep employees around long term to avoid paying the price when you're down an employee. Losing a technician is one thing, but finding a great technician to replace them is a whole other story. With the technician shortage, hiring a great fit for your shop is harder than ever. Thankfully though, there are steps you can take to avoid paying the price for recruiter fees or posting to a job board. When it comes to attracting top technician talent, it isn't just about posting the best ad to your favorite job site. Instead, you need to foster an environment that is engaging, offers good incentives, and has the right culture. Basically, it isn't all just about the money. We all have bills we need to pay. It's about making sure your employees feel valued and are motivated to do the job right because they enjoy working at your shop. Once you've developed this culture, you can then highlight the differences between your shop and competing ones in your area. There's no shame in being loud about what makes your shop different, and quite frankly better than the one down the road. Now that you've established your winning culture, it's time to know how to hire. Remember, just because you need to fill a hole doesn't mean you need to hire below your expectations. Don't be afraid to ask questions that might disqualify underqualified candidates, like what certifications they have, what kind of work they prefer, and what they're least comfortable doing. Once you find the right fit, the biggest mistake you can make is expecting them just to jump in and know how to do the job right away. That's why you should prioritize training new employees and make sure they are clear on the expectations you've built in your shop. You've built your culture through developing these expectations with other techs. Don't forget to foster that same expectation with your new ones. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.